Scooby-Doo turbo wastegate doing that chirrup. Love it. Yeah, this has got a few ponies in the stable, I think. So yeah, this is now is it?
Hagerty. Never stop driving, he says on the back. Yeah, it sounds good, doesn't it? So this has certainly got something on it. Got a proper noise and that kind of Rockman inspired livery as well. Love it, yeah. Changed how it's funny, you've got like talking but you can't find it. Those liveries look right because they're so prevalent in the era, weren't they? Yeah, I think we've kind of lost the art of iconic liveries. Yeah. I would have one of these in my garage.
Oh yeah. Yeah. I can't think if this is a 5 or a 6 yet. I'll have a look when it comes past.
6.5.
Oh, 6.5. Oh, right, nice.
TME.
Yeah. Nice thing that. So worth a load of money actually. I mean, that's not a Tommy Mackey edition, but Tommy Mackey editions are stupid money these days. Kind of almost stuff. They go skywards.
118, 2003 Impreza WRX, being driven by Cheyenne Ellis.
Evo versus Impreza, which side of the fence are you on? Evo or Impreza? Well, you got the blue and the gold wheels. Iconic. That looks like a really tidy example as well. Actually, that looks like it goes well. Certainly not lifting or kicking hard on the brakes to the bottom end.
Impreza because of the Great British drivers, but having driven both. Oh, the McLaren gets very squirrely, but that's what they're all about.
Hopefully the electronics have saved it there, but it's not the best part of 650 brake horsepower. Yeah, it seems alright now. I mean, that's probably the most, well, one of the most valuable cars I think today.
101, Richard Etheridge is the 996 Carrera 2.
Yeah, again, this has been going really well. So it's been driven really well. So again, somebody has really confidence in the ability of the car. Was been in perfect line through crossing. In fairness, really well driven car. Sounds great as well.
Now the blood orange HX Soldier, I love. And the pedigree.
Yeah, again, one of the iconic rally cars that sort of started it all, didn't it, really? Late 70s. Yep. That beat for it is true, but I mean, again, that's they have made so many great cars.
So we go back to Brooklyn and K-Dog, the man. Brooklyn's Riley 9, that's rasp, the ripping calico sound. Bit of my BSEC bread and butter.
This iconic car is a Alpha 75 3-litre V6. Built in the 90s, classic Alpha. And yes, very good condition. He's maintained it well. And this car's going to go on the track as well, the hill climb. But yeah, what a stunning car. And then on the other side, you see the Alfa and Fiats and all these classic cars here, all ready to go on the hill climb at some point today. No, it's this superb mini Vauxhall engine. This is going to be an extremely fast car, that's for sure.
I do quite fancy one because I remember growing up and I was 15 when that car came out, and that was kind of when you're 15, obviously, you know, what you think about is that car, I suppose. And an R35 GTR was one of the cars I went in, and I just loved the fact that the tyres were built with nitrogen, and they were just like the engines were built in a hermetically sealed tab and all that kind of stuff. And I just loved the nerdfest of it all. Really loved the nerdfest of it all. And they actually quite good value for money, so they take up good value for money. I mean, the 50 grand are a really good one. But you can pick up a high mileage one, you know, probably like 45 or 40 grand. So, nice car for the money now. When you can't spec it as golf, how money do you get? It's great to see when the cars come back down. So there is a fully trusted Vauxhall Orange between me and them. They come straight up with a window. It's quite a clutch of minis in the middle of the bows, they really are exciting. Yeah. Chris, man, it is convertible. Yeah. Because that really is, let's face it, that is a